Despite the conclusion of the 28th TTAADC elections on April 12, peace remained elusive in parts of the state. Following the declaration of the results, widespread post-poll violence has displaced hundreds, prompting a high-level visit from Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha today. Since the April 17 results, which saw a landslide victory for the tea promoter, reports of arson and vandalism have surged. BJP workers and candidates in various ADC areas have been primarily targets. The violence reached a flashpoint in the Voksnagar Assembly constituency, specifically within the 19 Amtali-Golagati ADC areas. In villages like Dayalpara and Vijayanagar, miscreants targeted the homes of local BJP leaders. In villages like Dayalpara and Vijayanagar, miscreants targeted the homes of local BJP leaders. Accompanied by State BJP General Secretary Bipin Debarma, the Chief Minister Manik Saha visited the affected families to offer financial aid and moral support. The Chief Minister described the recurring cycle of political violence as a cancer that has plagued the state for decades. He emphasized that the government would invoke strict legal measures to recover damages from those responsible for destroying public and private property. Reporter Musharraf from Chini, Khorang.